Lockable Carabiner. This carabiner's stainless steel gate features a slide lock, keeping your keys and valuables securely in place. High-quality stainless steel, solid, durable stainless steel construction and a stainless steel gate with plastic slide lock makes the carabiner ultra-strong. Individually weight-rated. Size number 2 to 10 pounds, size number 3 to 25 pounds, size number 4 to 75 pounds, number 6 to 100 pounds. Keep keys secure. Upgrade your beat-up, bulky old carabiner keychain for a slimline, locking Nite Ize Carabiner. Low-profile design, these slimline carabiners slide easily into a pocket or lay flat on a pack. Warning, not for use where disengagement could result in bodily injury or property damage. Not for climbing. This is a lithium-ion rechargeable battery. This battery is compatible with the Inova LED Tactical T3R rechargeable flashlight. This battery is also used in the Inova T3R and X3R rechargeable flashlights. Top reviews from the United States. Great quality. This is exactly what I was looking for.